Hey, Rockstar, Jim Padilla here. Thank you so much for taking the time to get yourself squared up here. See, you trusted your instincts that brought you this far. Now we want you to really rely on those instincts. Trust the judgment that brought you here to follow through, right? Most people don't take action. And for most people who do take action, the overwhelming majority don't ever follow through. We want to lead you all the way across the finish line, right? We're going to help you with that webinar. So the first couple of things you got to do here, get in our Facebook group, click on the link below, right? That'll take you there. Introduce yourself, make sure we know you're there so we can support you. Number two, get this on the calendar, the date that you just registered, date and time, put it on your calendar right now. Pause this, do whatever you need to do. Make sure you put it on the calendar. Do not forget, right? There's a good chance that you're looking for a lot for solutions. And so, you may have opted into several different things. So you probably have a lot of attention coming to your inbox. I'm going to tell you right now, this is going to be one of the most important 90 minutes that you're going to spend. So make sure you clear your calendar. If there's another appointment, move it, reschedule it, and make sure you show up for this. Okay. Again, I want to thank you. I want to acknowledge you for taking action, acknowledge you for seeking the right solutions to make sure that you get the things done that you need. And this is really about helping you fine tune how you sell in the new normal, in the new economy, right? And we're going to take, again, the specific skill sets that we're working with our clients on a regular basis, 25,000 sales conversations a year worth. We're going to pour into you exactly, lay out the exact processes that we are using that are going to help you get crystal clear to make sure you have the right conversations with the right people at the right time about the right things, which is what leads to conversions happening and puts you in the driver's seat of your own future instead of being at the mercy of somebody else. Okay, just remember, uncertainty for others does not have to mean uncertainty for you, and we're here to help you get there. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the training.